Good evening. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh's classes. Today topic is the CSIR net chemical science solution. And topic of the question is the nuclear chemistry, bombardment of the reaction. What is the question? Question is the an element A2713 is bombarded with two alpha particles to give product B with the emission of a neutron. The emission of a neutron, the element B is. What will be the B in this question? And there are the four options for the our answer: B 3015, B 3517, B 3417, and B 3216. So how to solve it? So it is a simple question for the nuclear chemistry, and we can try to solve it with the help of a important rule of the nuclear chemistry. What is the important rule of the nuclear chemistry? It is a atomic mass, atomic number and mass number is conserved in a nuclear reaction. So in step number first, we will write the nuclear reaction. We will write the nuclear reaction. So first we write the nuclear reaction, write the nuclear reaction. What will be the nuclear reaction for this bombardment? जैसा कि क्वेश्चन में गिवन है, क्या है क्वेश्चन में? क्वेश्चन में है एक पार्टिकल है A27, इसका मास नंबर है और 13 एटॉमिक नंबर है, प्लस किसका बम्बार्डमेंट हो रहा है? टू अल्फा पार्टिकल्स यहाँ पे बम्बार्ड हो रहे हैं. Each alpha particles like 8 atomic number and mass number, and formation of the B, it is our target, and releasing of the neutron. It is as per the rule of the nuclear chemistry. And what is the important rule of the nuclear chemistry? Mass number and atomic number. Mass number and atomic number. Mass number is the A, and atomic number Z should be conserved as per the nuclear chemistry rule. It should be the conserved, right? Atomic number and mass number. Now find the balance the mass number. In the step second, we balance the mass number. Balance the mass number. Mass number means A. हम A को यहाँ पे बैलेंस करेंगे as per the our question. As per the our question, how to balance the mass number? So left side mass number, that means in our target 27 and 13. 27 and 13. So it is a mass number. It is a mass number. How to balance it? So write the according to our reaction 27 and plus 2 into 4. 2 into 4 means alpha particles is equal to 27 plus 8. That means 35. We will get the 35 with the right side equation, and from the left side. In the step number third, we will the balance the atomic number. Balance the atomic number. Now balance the atomic number Z, right? What is the atomic number? 13. Start from the 13. So 13 plus 2 into 2 for the alpha particle. That means 13 plus 4 means we will get the 17. There the 35 and in this 17. Now complete this mass number 17 and 35 because neutron has because neutron has mass number 1 and mass number 1 and atomic number is 0 because neutron has mass number 1. So now write the 35 is equal to a b plus 1. ए बी इज इक्वल टू यानी कि जो प्रोडक्ट है बी उसका जो मास नंबर ए है वो क्या होगा, तो इट विल बी द 34 एज पर आवर कैलकुलेशन, राइट. Now calculate the atomic number. An atomic number because neutron has 0 atomic number. So ZB जो हमारा टारगेट है बी उसका जो Z है वो क्या होगा प्लस 0. तो व्हाट विल बी द ZB, तो ZB is equal to the 17 because of there is 0. Now write the final answer. What is the final answer? So we will get final answer for both calculation. So B has atomic number 34 and mass number 34 and atomic number 17. So atomic number 17 correspond to the chlorine, but our question given answer in the form of the B. So what will be the right answer? So now once check the answer, that means option A, option B, option C, option 3. The option third is matched with our answer. So it will be the correct answer. So option third is the correct answer. B has 34 mass number and 17 atomic number. 17 atomic number. Now we can calculate this question with the help of nuclear chemistry rule, that is the conservation of the mass and conservation of the atomic number. Now this question you can calculate with the help of a trick. That means 2 alpha particles added gives 8 mass and atomic number is 4, right. Subtract 1 mass for the neutron, net charge will be the 7 plus 4 because of neutron has a no atomic number. So now 27 plus 7 is equal to 34 and 13 plus 4 is equal to 17. It will be the B, that means 34 and 17, right. So you can calculate the mass and atomic number for the unknown. Thank you.